everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm sure you guys can see from the title already, it will be a LV haul or unboxing for you guys, and again from the title you will know what it is. But I'm really excited to film this video and show you guys an unboxing because I've really wanted this for a while and I managed to get them online again. But this one is the box right here. It is a square box and it comes with like a ribbon. I'm gonna quickly open it up so you guys can see how it looks like before I talk about it more. But again, open it up and it's like, I can't believe like how such a big bag has like something small inside. Like you would think that they would put it in a smaller box, but maybe this is the smallest box that they have. But this is the dust bag, and when you open it up, dun, dun, dun. So this is the niche nano, so it's not the mini or the big size one. This is the nano size, which I think is just stinking cute. Like when I first opened this up at work, I was like, oh my god, this is so tiny. But you know what, this is just adorable. I'm not gonna use it like a cosmetic pouch or anything, but I decided to get it because I really want to turn this into like a handbag. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube how they actually change it, so I'm actually on the hunt to look for like the D-ring, the strap. I can probably use one of my strap, and possibly like an organizer for the inside as well. But you can see how cute it is. And I'm gonna open up, so it comes with two zippers. So this is how the inside look like, and if I were to put my phone, which is an iPhone X, it really doesn't really fit. I mean, it might fit like vertical like this, vertical across like this, but it is, as you can see, quite tight, so I wouldn't really put my phone. But what I'll probably put, I'll show you guys a quick demo, is my key pouch and my card holder. Probably have to like play around with the way I put it as well, and my cushion, makeup cushion. Is it zooming? Yeah, my makeup cushion. And last one is like a bag of like makeup stuff that I need to fix, and this is probably what I'll fit in most of it. Probably can't put sunglasses or anything, but yeah, as you can see, it only fit just enough, and voila, it just looks like this. So it's not sticking out or anything, and it's actually not that heavy as well. But I'm really keen on making this into a handbag, so I'll probably do like a part 2 once I get all the items and show you guys how I change this into a handbag. So as I mentioned before, I did get this online, and I know that it is quite hard to get online on the New Zealand website, so I was very surprised that I managed to get my hands on this because I actually really did not expect it at all. Like I was telling myself, I'm not splurging anymore until Black Friday, and what happened was I was actually walking my dog, and then I decided to browse on the page on my wish list, and then this actually popped up as add to bag, so I just quickly add to bag. And yeah, so obviously the order went through, and since then I actually haven't seen this pop up again, so I don't know if it's like a one-off thing. But yeah, I'm just glad I managed to get my hands on this. Maybe it might come back in stock more regularly, I'm not sure, but I would definitely recommend for you guys to add it to your wish list and then check the web page regularly and see whether it just comes back, because when one person purchases, that's it. After that, it just goes back to call to inquiry or add to for like notification or something like that basically. And yeah, so I'll definitely add to wish list, and then one day it might pop up. But yeah, let me know if you guys are keen on part 2 of this. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my little baby here. It's just so cute. Like it's just very small. As you can see, it's like the size of my hand. How crazy is that? But I am so happy with this little purchase. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. But yeah, let me know if you guys do have a niche nano as well, and let me know if you guys have turned it into a handbag like what I'm gonna do, or let me know what you would use this for, whether it's a cosmetic pouch or a travel pouch or a handbag. Let me know your thoughts on this. But yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next video. So yeah, bye guys.